Okay, I'm getting a strange sound, like squeaking sound, when the bed is moving upwards or downwards. So I have loosened all the screws on the trapezoid nuts. These are here, here, and here. On each threaded rod there is one, and each of them has two screws. In Core 1L you'll need a torque screwdriver. In Core 1 Plus, you'll need just the standard Allen key, 2.5 millimeter, I believe. I have applied a little bit of grease. That's the one in the white little tube you are getting with the printer. On each rod there is a little bit of grease. Now I'm going to move the bed, loosen the screws, apply the grease, and now I'm moving the bed all the way up. You might hear some squeaking noise even now. What am I doing is to lubricating the threaded rod, and also at the same time I'm adjusting the position of the trapezoidal nuts. You can see, because I have loosened them, they can move a little like this. It seems to be working, but this movement is pretty slow, so there might be no unwanted sound right now. Again, each threaded knot is able to move a little. So I went all the way up. Now the trick is just hold the button a little bit longer. It beeps, release, and now you can easily move up or down just like you wish. Now I'm returning the bed downwards so I can retighten the screws again. Don't go all the way down, just stop right in the middle, or let's say first third of the height, about this high, so I can nicely fit in the screwdriver. And yeah, I'm too low now. No problem, I'll adjust it. Nah, that's what you get when you are too nervous. So I'm going to, like, again a little higher. I would like to see, like, yeah, this high is okay. Let's remember it so you can fit the screwdriver anywhere nicely. Do not use too much force. It's not necessary to over tighten the screws here. Just secure the trapezoidal nut in the position and it will be just fine. It's not carrying or it doesn't need any special over tightening. This is what will cause uneven friction on the trapezoidal nuts. So let me try to fit in the phone there. Yeah. As soon as you feel it's tightened, just stop. I like to call it finger strength. Okay, that's the last one. One more thing before we'll test it is wipe off the excess Vaseline. It's not ideal to have it collected around the machine. There will be some dust and Vaseline and dust that makes pretty abrasive paste. You don't want that anywhere near your machine. So wipe it off. I'll do it later the right way with both hands. I'm just trying to show you it's really necessary to do that. Do not forget. Yeah, and don't do this wiping with the Vaseline paper tissue the bed. That's definitely not ideal. I'll clean it with some isopropyl alcohol later.